Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Always Working on Something. Seems like I'm always working on something, which I am. I enjoy it, so it's not a complaint. It's just the way it is. Uh, I wanted to come on here today and share something with y'all. I've never purchased anything brand new in my life. Um, Nothing at all, other than things that you can use around and stuff like that, tools and things like that. But I've been using a old 1530 John Deere for a long time. Oh, you're kind of catching a sneak peek there. I've been using a 1530 John Deere for a long time. Two-wheel drive tractor, no loader, no nothing. Um, I've been borrowing people's tractors and things like that for years and years, having to do loader work and box blade work and stuff like that, and clearing, things like that. But anyway, I guess I might as well go ahead and get on with the show. I had the fever. I've been needing one forever. So I bought me a brand new L4701 Kubota. And I tell you what, I couldn't be happier. I've run Kubotas in the past, and they are great machines. And I don't know. I just figured I'd give a little review about it. I've been back here. Please excuse the mess. Whenever I bought this property, there was a huge pile back here that had trash and trees and junk. I mean, just junk everywhere. And anyway, I was trying to spread this out. Me and my wife, my son, when we need to do a quick little hunt, we come back here to the backyard and try to do a little hunt real quick. We got some planted pines, or just kind of sporadic pine planted there, and this back corner and all back here is pretty much wooded. Nobody really here. We got a horse farm right here near us, but we still got enough back here to try to kind of get us some deer in. We got a pretty good bit of good ones, but decent ones anyway. But I'll walk y'all around this thing just a little bit. I know y'all seen tractors before, but I'll tell you what, I have really enjoyed this thing. I've only put about, I don't know, I think it had 5 hours on it whenever I got it, and that was just at the dealer. But anyway, I got the hydrostatic. I know some people say not to get the hydrostatic, and some people say to get the hydrostatic, but you know, after years of using that 1530 John Deere and these other tractors, the shuttle shift and stuff like that, shuttle shift ain't so bad, but you still got to use the clutch sometimes, or I guess most of the time you're probably supposed to. But I guess if you're going slow enough, you don't have to worry about that, as long as it's got the forward and reverse on it. But anyway, I'm gonna be doing more loader work and more box blade work and bush hogging and tilling than I will be pulling any kind of plows or anything like that. So I just opted to get that to kind of save my leg, because anybody that runs a tractor for any time period knows that that left leg will get to hurting you after a while, pushing in that clutch and changing them gears and stuff like that. But I definitely like it. I couldn't be more happy with it. Low, medium, and high range. I do most of this. I've done all this back here pretty much with low range. That way I wouldn't be straining it in the medium or the high for sure. But the L4701, it's got the bigger loader on it in the L series. This is the biggest L series that you can get, I guess, maybe other than a Grand L. But this is a bigger frame, bigger loader, 47 horse. Just a little bigger than the other L series tractors, and I done that for the purpose that you know, people tell you not to get one smaller than what you think. Always go a size bigger. And I think the only thing that might mess me up is the length of this thing. Trying to get in the woods and stuff like that with it. But other than that, I think we're gonna be pretty happy with it. But so far it's done well. I got the R4 tires, just to give it a little more stability and stuff, and maybe wear a little better, especially if we're working in rocks and stuff like that, spreading driveways and things. It won't rut it up so bad. But anyway, y'all, I just with you what we had going on, and anyway, maybe we'll get to see some more videos of it here soon. Thank y'all.